Hi, my name is Diamond Chick at the Academic Center for Excellence at Germanna Community College. And today I'm going to be giving you a homework tip on how to organize your homework. So I'm going to share my screen onto a Google Sheet. So here on this first tab, I have the master homework list, which I've organized by due date, class, assignment type, and the name of the assignment. On the bottom here, I have 4 different classes that you could take here at Germanna Community College. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to list all my assignments that my instructor may have provided to me via a syllabus. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the assignments and I'm going to assign them one color per class. So for English, I'm going to assign them blue. So I'm going to select all the assignments, go to my paint bucket option, and I'm going to click one of the blue items. So now all the assignments are labeled blue. I have all my classes color-coded. I'm going to go to the first class and I'm going to take my mouse and select all the boxes. I'm not going to use the fill, I'm just going to use the select. I'm going to right-click and copy. I'm going to go back to my master homework list and I'm going to click and paste. And I'm going to proceed to do that to the rest of the classes. All right, now that all the classes have been pasted in, I'm going to organize all my assignments by due date. And in order to do that, I'm going to click on the column here and I'm going to use the sort option. Or you can go here to data and you can click sort sheet by column A to Z. And we want it to go from A to Z because we're going from the closest due date to the due date that's at the end of the semester. And now, if you look on your assignment here, you can see all the assignments that you have due for this semester, all color-coded by class. Now what you're going to do is, if you'd like to print this out, you can select all of it, go to your print option. You can see here you could set it on landscape or you could set it on portrait. And as you're printing it out, you can print it out in color to keep everything color coordinated, or you can print it out in black and white and have a checklist.